Hey folks, today we're going to be learning how to cite material through an Ebsco host database. Many of the databases that we have at Shiwi Library are provided by the Ebsco host company, and they have a very familiar interface for students, so we're going to focus on how you would cite material through them today. Our first step is to get to Shiwi Library, and we can do that by going to Google, typing in Shiwi Library, and clicking on the first result. If we want to get to our databases, we are on the Shiwi Library homepage, and we would click on Databases. Now there's many databases we could pick from. For the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to go to the America History and Life database. And we can see right at the top it's provided by Ebsco, so that's great. I'm just going to do a sample search, Canadian history. And maybe I'll find an article I like somewhere in here. The first one looks good. Let's try that. On the right hand side, you can see we have a variety of tools that we can use with this article. I'm specifically going to go to the Cite tool, and we can see that it gives us a number of citations in a number of citation styles. I'm going to pick the APA one, and what I'm going to do is copy it and paste it into a Word document. Now, this is an okay citation. Unfortunately, there's a lot of capitalization going on here in the title of the article that APA doesn't allow for. So I'm just going to decapitalize all the words that shouldn't be capitalized. Other than that, however, the citation looks pretty good. And we see that it has a document object identifier at the end, which is something you get through databases. It isn't necessary, but it's sometimes nice to have, so I'll leave that. The last thing I might want to do for an APA citation is give it that special APA formatting, and I can do that by going to Paragraph and selecting the hanging indent. And as you can see, I now have a really good APA citation.